Turn off your windshield wipers if you don't mind.
Looks like it's growing.
Looks like there might be a funnel right there.
Right there. Look at it. It's coming.
Kind of hard to distinguish, but we got a lot of lightning. Keep your hands and stuff off of metal portions, because if we get hit by lightning, that's what we're gonna get shot.
That could possibly be a funnel cloud right there trying to form.
I lost it. Where'd it go?
It's right. I mean, it's right there. It hasn't moved, and it's dipping down farther. We gotta wait for it. See?
Right. Well, there's another cloud that looked like it was going. This lightning is crazy. That's cool. Well, there was.
Are you recording it?
Yeah. Wow.
It's so looking kind of suspicious over there.
This is the kind of weather I want to be with my camera, trying to grab lightning. Because, I mean, look how this thing's spitting lightning out quick.
How fast this car is moving. We're not, I mean, we might as well take advantage to watch it now, because pretty soon it's going to be so dark we're not going to be able to see anything.
No, the little cone shape that I saw is fizzled out.
Yeah, but do you see it? It's moving in that section. Do you see it moving?
Yep. Oh, this is crazy.